Hi, this is Selecting Total Parts Pro. Today with 2018 Hyundai Tucson, stock number 6928. It's ran from the 6th, 2015 to the 1st, 2021. There's a T4HA 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an 8-speed all-wheel drive transmission. This is a T4HA 2-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 19-inch factory only mega tyre. Left hand door mirror. Left front and left rear door, no dents. Left rear 19-inch factory only mega tyre. Left hand taillight. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right rear 19-inch factory only mega tyre. Right rear and right front door, no dents. Right hand door mirror. Right front guard. Right front 19-inch factory only mega tyre. Front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen sat-nav stereo, stereo mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel, instrument cluster,